YouTube, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome, and remember to subscribe. Today's video is going to be on a wig purchase that I did from Powder Room D, and yeah, let's get started. I'm going to show you guys the wig. I'm going to try it on and see how it looks on me. So it came in this packaging. It's like a unicorn packaging. I already opened it. So I got a thank you card. Thank you for shopping with us. Don't forget to hashtag Powder Room D for a chance to be featured. PowderRoomD.com. And that's the card. You get a wig cap, 2 pieces. In every purchase is what I'm aware of. And then wig tips, trim off the excess lace, blah blah blah. Just some tips. And their card, $10 off your next purchase. Yay. So if you guys want to use it, you guys can go ahead and use it. Its promo code is thank you. And this is what the wig came in. This is how the wig looks. It's already naturally, well, I don't know if it's natural, but it's already curled. So I bought this wig to wear for my daughter's first birthday there's about 2 weeks left, a little less than 2 weeks for her birthday. So I bought it to wear it. Her birthday is a mermaid theme. I mean, it's obviously not a Freedom Couture wig. This is synthetic hair, but you can use hot tools on it. You can straighten it, you can blow dry it. I won't be doing anything to it. I like how it is. It's very mermaid-like. I am gonna dress similar to a mermaid, not exactly, but I'm gonna try to come close to one. It's really pretty. I like it. I forgot how much I paid for it. I think it was $150, but I will go on their website and let you guys know. Let me go on their website now. So if anybody was wondering, this is a store that is located in the US. I wasn't sure at first and I was kind of iffy, but I did look at some YouTube videos and did some research because I do not want to get scammed again. But there was a lot of reviews on YouTube. A lot of people purchased from this website, so I trusted them. Yes, so I purchased my wig for $150, and they have a lot of nice synthetic wigs. They also have real human hair wigs. Very cute. So I'm gonna try this on for you guys and see how it looks. I haven't tried it on yet. And we can see how to part it and all that fun stuff. So let me go try it on and I will be right back. So I'm back with the wig on, and I actually really like it. It looks really cute. Like when I part it from the middle, it looks really flat, but when I part it from the side, it looks better. So yeah, I think it's really nice. It's totally worth it, $150. It's a lace front wig, so you can part the front sections from anywhere you want. And it does come with like an adjustable strap in the back that I will show you guys a little bit later. But I think I'm loving this wig. It's really pretty. So now I have to figure out how I'm gonna do my makeup on my daughter's birthday. And don't mind the lace, I haven't cut it yet. I will cut it soon. Yeah, I think I really like it. The fit is really good. It's comfortable. Really nice. Yeah, it fits my head perfectly. So I'm thinking, because with Freedom Couture wigs, I'm a large. The large is a little bit tight on me, but this one, it seems like it's a little bit bigger than a large. but you can totally adjust it from the back, which will work for anyone. Well, I'm assuming it should work for anyone, but I really like this color. It's so pretty. Wow. And I believe this is, let's see how long it is. I think it's a 22 inch or 24 inch, and it says on their website it's 150 to 180 density. It doesn't say exactly what the density is, but it's between 150 to 180, and I really like it. So I will be wearing this for my daughter's birthday. If you guys purchase from Powder Room D, please let me know down below what you think of their wigs. I'd love to know. Let me know what you guys think of this wig, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Okay, I just remembered, I still need to show you guys the inside of this wig. So let me take this off real quick. Okay, I'm back. So here's the wig off. So yeah, the deepest that it goes for the parting is in the middle, but I won't be parting it from the middle because it's too flat for me. Here's the inside. It does come with some clips. There's 3 of them. Here's 2 of them. And here's one more right here in the middle. Oh, it's coming apart. Great. Whatever. Okay, and then here are the straps. So you can strap it anywhere. I'm gonna do it from here, and I'm gonna try wearing it again. So it's like a regular wig strap. Regular wigs have these. It's not like the Freedom Couture straps. The Freedom Couture straps, like if you wear it, it totally secures it on your head. You don't even need to clip the clips in, but the clips are like extra securing for it. But that's what the bottom looks like. It's so pretty. And I think if I wear it, I'm gonna wear it with a black hairnet instead of the nude one, because you could totally see this. But yeah, I really like this wig for $150. It's great. It's a great buy. So I will be wearing this for my daughter's birthday. I already said that a million times. But yeah, it's so pretty. It's a little bit frizzy. I mean, frizzy, not frizzy, but it's like, it's not, well, I guess once you like play around with it a little bit, it gets better. So yeah, hope you guys liked my video. Please remember to like, dislike, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!